So now how you're going to begin. Now first you become an affiliate. Good. So now with one of the most easiest platform to affiliate for, I'm going to show you guys videos and certain accounts that I've observed, that I researched about, that are doing these things and they're making a lot of money doing this same thing that I'm going to show you guys now. And I'm going to show you guys the platform that they are using. Now there's a lot of other ways you're going to make money, just like I've disclosed, and I'm going to show you guys. But let me show you guys the first way. Now let's go to TikTok. Let me show you guys this channels. Or let's go to TikTok. Let me show you guys the people that are doing this thing and they are making money from it. So I'm here in my TikTok account, in the place where you save videos here. So let me show you guys one person. So now look at this channel.
If you have a smartphone and you're not making money with your smartphone with Hawkins.ng, then you're actually lost in the internet.
So now guys, you have had the channel, you have had the site or the app is called Hawkit. So Hawkit, if you know this app, if you know it, you know the site, yes, that's good. But I'm going to show you guys something that you're going to do very great to make a lot of money with this site. So now you see, this is what this guy is literally doing with this thing that I'm just explaining here. And there's one thing that he's not even doing well, and that is he's not even optimizing his biography. I don't see any link here, but I'm going to show you guys another account that the person is doing, that what she is doing perfectly well. But this guy is still making way much with this same app. So let me just play videos and show you guys.
If you have a smartphone and you're not making money with your smartphone with Hawkins.ng, then you're actually lost in the internet. Let me show you something right now. Can you see this? This is what I've made in just 5 days.
Now this is one of the videos. So what this guy is basically doing is just repeating the same video and reposting again, and he's making a lot of money by doing this. This is even I don't know, I can't find the video that he made over so much more money than what he has just made here. But this is just the concept. Now let me show you guys the other account. To our page, you're going to see what she's doing. Now this girl is not doing like that particular guy, but what she has here is, if you should see this place, this is her link, and this is whenever anybody tap on the link, and it's taking the person to this her page with her own referral here, and whoever register under her is going to gain she's going to gain a percentage. So let's go back, and I'm just showing you guys the idea behind this. But what this girl is doing is, she's not really pushing traffic there. I don't know why. Based on her content, there is no traffic that she's pushing there, because she's just doing random content and she just have a link there. But that particular guy, his content is strategic to pushing people to the link. So that is what I want you guys to take note of. So even if you're going to be putting content like this, make sure you smuggle in, just like what I've discussed, you smuggle in taking people to your link. So I hope you guys are understanding. So now you're going to click on my link. That will be my affiliate link, and you just support me. But you actually have to, because that is the app you're going to use as an affiliate. So you click on my link, and I'm going to show you guys in the next video how to register completely on Hawkit. I'm going to show you guys how to set your account, and mind you, it costs 1,000 naira to start up the membership plan. That is, it's only when you put 1,000 that you can now start to earn from the referral, and there are other things that you can now start to do also in the app, which I'm going to disclose as we go further in the course.